Hola, Senor Jordan here. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the word
pero,
in Spanish. The word
pero,
is most accurately translated as but, and it is used to link ideas, but it also implies that the second part of the sentence is different from the first part, like in English. Here are some examples of
pero.
in sentences.
Quiero jugar, pero necesito estudiar. Voy al parque, pero está lloviendo. Me gusta nadar, pero hace frío. Quiero bailar, pero estoy cansada. Me gusta tocar el piano, pero no tengo uno. Prefiero caminar, pero no hay tiempo.
In some cases, people might also use
Pero,
to emphasize something positive or surprising at the beginning of an exclamation, like in the following examples.
pero muchas gracias. Pero qué inteligente eres. Pero qué amables son. Pero qué interesante historia. Pero qué bien juegas. Pero qué paciencia tienes.
To review
Pero,
means but, and it is often used to contrast different ideas in a sentence. You might also hear it used to emphasize something positive or surprising at the beginning of an exclamation. I hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with others who could benefit. Also, as an extra challenge, try to write a sentence in the comments section with
pero.
Thanks for watching. Gracias.